Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. If you're new here, hello and welcome, and I hope you enjoy. So today is Sunday, and it is my 4th day on a plant-based diet, and I was craving some Southern country cooking. We've been stuck in the house for almost a month now, and I just really wanted something that felt like home. So I've got a can of corn heating up in the back, and then I'm going to put a can of turnip greens in this pot. I'm just going to get these turned on medium right now and then get them covered. I will season them in just a little bit. And I'm going to peel and dice up 3 medium-sized russet potatoes so I can fry the potatoes. I'm also going to heat up a can of butter beans in the microwave and set those to the side. Gonna heat up a little bit of olive oil and some plant-based butter for the potatoes. I also added some of the plant-based butter to the corn. I'm just going to season the potatoes with some garlic salt and onion powder. Just going to add some pink Himalayan salt to the turnip greens and corn. And I am going to be making some little fried cornbread patties, also known as hot water cakes, if you're old enough to know that. So I also put a little bit of olive oil in the turnip greens. I'm just going to mix up 1 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup of water in a bowl. And sometimes I put onion in that mixture so that there'll be onion in the little cornbread patties, but today I didn't. I'm just going to heat some olive oil up in the back. And I'm going to use the 1/2 cup scoop to scoop out 1 little patty at a time. You can make these smaller. I chose not to on this day because I was basically the only one eating it. And then you will just cook them like you would pancakes. I have this flipping issue that I can't just stir stuff with a spatula. I must flip it if it's flippable. So here in a couple of minutes, you're going to see me flip this cornbread patty. Yes, I'm 38 years old, but I've been stuck in the house too long. So I'm going to loosen this cornbread patty up and flip it in the pan like a child. Enjoy. You are welcome. Now, the cup of cornmeal and the cup of water, if you use the 1/2 cup measuring scoop to pour out the patties, will make 3 of these larger ones, but like I said, you can make them smaller, and you can just double the mixture if you need to. So I'm just going to heat more olive oil up and cook the next 2 just like I did this one. I'm going to be eating some of the pickled purple onion also, and I will put a link to the video of me pickling that onion in the description box below. I'm also going to saute some white onion with these mushrooms to eat with my butter beans. Here is everything done. Corn, turnip greens, the fried cornbread patties, the onion and mushroom for my butter beans, and the fried taters. The best part of the whole meal. And here is my plate. Everything was so good. I halved my piece of cornbread just so basically so it would fit on the plate better, but I did end up going back and getting the other half to finish my plate, and I do have Louisiana hot sauce on my turnip greens. When we were done eating, I made all of the kids go outside and play and find something to do. I made my own little track up in the yard just to get some exercise. I hope everyone is safe and has everything they need. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to become part of our family. Thank you all for watching.